Mae Jemison. Growing up, Mae Jemison was born in Decatur, Alabama in 1956. She had an older brother and sister. At age 3, her family moved to Chicago. While growing up, Mae went to Morgan Park High School in Chicago. She enjoyed reading and learning about science. She loved learning about space. In 1977, Mae went to college to become a doctor. She helped sick and hungry people in Asia and Africa. She taught them how to stay healthy. But Mae was still interested in space. Becoming an astronaut. Mae wanted to be an astronaut at NASA. In 1985, she applied for a job there. NASA is the United States program for exploring space. Mae got the job as an astronaut in 1987, but she did not go to space right away. First, Mae had to train on the ground. She had to learn about flying in space. Flying in space. In 1992, Mae finally blasted into space on the shuttle Endeavour. She was the first African-American woman to fly in space. Mae did science experiments on herself and the crew. She wanted to see what space did to their health. The shuttle was in space for 8 days. Mae was famous when she returned to Earth. She gave speeches about her time in space. She appeared on TV. Life after NASA. Mae left NASA in 1993. She wanted to work with young people. In 1994, Mae began a space camp for kids. Today, Mae teaches kids how to follow their dreams.